Yee, folks, today's a great day. It's actually a little later in the afternoon, and I'm a little excited. I got some new gear in recently. So we might do a little review on some of that in another video. I'm not quite sure yet. But one of the things I'm excited to try the audio out in is a new microphone. Not sure how good it'll focus on this, but we got this new microphone in. So we're gonna try the audio out on that today. My apologies in advance because never used a microphone, so I don't know if it's gonna be too loud, too quiet. I don't know what it's gonna be like. So we're actually trying this now. I ordered this because turkey season is in less than 2 weeks, and I want to have a microphone that'll pick up some more stuff because I want you guys to be able to hear the gobbles and maybe, you know, hear me talk a little bit during the videos. Anyways, to get in today's video, we are going to do a little bit of pan fishing. And when I call it pan fishing, we're little panfish, you know, little bluegills. So we're going to try out my grandma's farm pond. I know there's a few in there, and there's some pretty big bass in there. So if we get some of them up, we are going to keep them if they're big enough also for some supper. So I'm going to go ahead and cut right to it, and we're going to get out there and see if we catch some. First one of the night. Yep. About went down, boys.
I caught that one with my dad. Whoa! What was that?
Big one.
What is it? What is it? What is it?
Let me see it.
What is it? Okay, I see it. Okay, how about you put them in there?
I don't use them ones. Here.
Okay, I see it.
Move your pole. No. Here.
Oh, you said the blue.
Fish clip.
Fish clip.
That, and a couple weights, a worm, and a bobber. There should be a bobber.
What's in here?
That's a minnow bucket.
Do you have more minnows?
Not today. Where's the worms? Oh, in here.
No, come here. They're in the box.
There's a good bobber in there, Luke.
Thanks. What is that?
A worm.
Where you put that on there?
To catch a fish.
Hey, Clint, you're lucky you got one this time. We don't have to go find them. Why? Why? What? Clint, why? Why are you doing that? Clint, what? I don't want that.
Whoa!
Slime.
Slime?
Yeah. Oh, who here, Mox?
Hey, go reel in that pool. Go, 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 go.
Wait.
Right here. Here, I'll show you. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Hook it. Now reel, reel, reel. Reel it in. Slow, slowly. Pull it in. Come on, reel it.
Yeah.
Keep reeling.
Yeah.
Get up on bank. Right there. Good job. High five.
Wowie.
Alrighty, swallowed it. So bring it over here.
Second one of the night.
We're eating bluegill for supper.
Oh.
I got a cooler.
And I got you too.
Camera.
Second one of the night. I like that fish. Fishy. Oh. Ooh, dude. Hey, what?
I got more coal. I thought your mom might want one.
You want a fish? Want fish?
Fish?
Mom, you want to? What is it? What is it?
Shh. Number 3 of the night, baby. Number 5, baby. Breaking them in. Reeled in. All right, here, switch. Good job. You caught a big one.
This bluegill of the night. Wait. Wowie.
Alrighty, guys, we're actually catching. Oh, he flopped away. This is number 6, I believe. Pretty good sized bluegill. I mean, about palm of my hand. Show you guys cooler full here. That was number 5, big enough to keep. There was one that was a little bit smaller I just didn't want to keep, and Brandon caught a bass, so that was pretty good. But doing pretty good tonight. Little I didn't know I was planning on doing this. I decided to come out here and try to catch a fish, and man, I'm reeling them in. So we'll try and catch another one here. What?
You have a lot of pulls.
Okay. Reel it in. Reel it in. Reel it in. Quick. No, backwards, buddy. Gotta flip it around.
We lost it.
No, you didn't.
You got it. He's a biggie one. That's a big one.
It's a little bluegill.
Well, I guess. What's in that?
The fish.
What? It's wiggling. It's wiggling. What the? He's just like wiggle, 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 wiggle. I want to get out. Please, I want to get out. I need water. Oh, I need water. Help me. Oh, I'm joking. How come the fish keep scaring me?
Because you're talking too loud, so you're scaring them. All right, see how I jerked it real hard and set the hook?
Yep.
Then the fish can't get away.
Whoa!
That's how you catch these big ones.
This is bluegill.
Yeah, big one. How many's in there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can't tell.
All right, close the lid.
Oh, flipped out of there. Couldn't get it. Flipped. Can you get it?
Yeah.
Flapped out. And you know, whoop. He almost did a flip.
All right, here you go.
How does this work again?
You gotta yank it. You gotta set it.
How does fast?
Yeah. You go really fast. All right, set that pole on this hook and go get the other one you were fishing with.
This one?
The one you were fishing with earlier.
Oh, it's all good.
Yeah, set that one down and go get it. We were just yanking them in. You gotta let it sit, okay, buddy?
I know. Oh no. Fishies. Oh no. Fishes.
Gotta be quiet.
Hey, you got one.
No, I don't. Magical. You can't reel yours in, buddy. You gotta wait.
Hey, I want you to see it. You know what? I'm putting mine into a different spot. I am. I'm going to use this one. What is this? What is this? What is this?
to hold the fishing pole.
How like this? You got one? Woo! Get that one, Clint. You? Woo! He's a fatty. Ow, 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 ow. Hey, I want to see this. Ow, I hooked myself. That hooks.
Gotta get around the hook. You bleeding?
No.
You're the bass catcher.
Woo! Get over here. Woo! Clint, you want him?
Yep, I'll take him off in a second. Unless you know how to take him off the hook.
Nope. Clint, can you help me?
Yep, in a second.
He's right down there. Woo! He's a biggie. Are you gonna keep that big boy?
Nope. He's too small for a bass.
Why do you say that?
Because he's little.
Hey, you could keep him.
Alright, I'm catching a fish on mine, buddy. Do you want to see him?
Yeah.
Good job.
Clint, can you come give me one? Oh! Oh!
Hey, look at this one.
Woo!
Hurry up, I need your help. Come here, Brandon.
You do.
Grab the fish.
I can't get the hook!
Hold it there. Good job.
Woo! He's a biggie.
That's a big bass.
You're gonna keep him. Right, Clint?
Yep. Look at that thing.
Woo! He's a mock rocket.
That's a fat one.
Go ahead, Clint. Bring him in. Woo!
You don't want to fit in our bluegill cooler.
A.
This guy just ain't quite big enough. This is the third one in a row, just the little guys. Alrighty guys, we are back at the shop here. Got everything, we caught as many fish we could catch before it got dark. We got this guy, one largemouth bass. We're gonna weigh him. We're gonna weigh him in a second, and then we have a cooler full. Not a cooler, a little cooler full. But I can't believe that went like that. I didn't really do much for this video. I wasn't expecting this video. I was driving around doing some turkey scouting because, you know, as you guys know, turkey season in probably 2 weeks. So I was driving around looking for some turkeys, and I was like, you know what? It's such a beautiful night. I can't spend tonight driving around. I've done it every night this week. And I was like, I am just going to do a little fishing tonight. So, let's weigh this guy, and we're going to see what he weighs in. My scale turns on here. Froze up. Great. Oh, there we go. Alright. Zeroed out. Let's see how this thing goes. Scale's not going to work. It's going great. Alright. Zeroed out. Oh. Right there. If you guys can see it clearly. froze up on me. See it clearly, marked in at 1 pound, 14 ounces. I think it said 14 ounces. I think it came in at 1 pound, 14 ounces. Not exactly sure. My scale kind of messed up a little bit there. But we're going to clean up these fish and we'll see what happens. Alrighty guys, we just got finished up cooking it here. We got them all cleaned up. It actually went pretty smoothly. We ended up with a dozen bluegill with 3 of us and 1 bass. The bass did weigh about 2 pounds. So it went pretty goodly for not knowing I was going to make a video tonight. But I would call it a pretty good fishing trip. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And yee!